This new 2019 5K iMac is packing a 5GHz i9 processor, Vega 48 graphics, and 64GB of RAM that we saved $680 on by upgrading it ourselves. We have links to those RAM sales in the description below, and we also have a step-by-step tutorial guide on how to install it yourself. With all that performance, many people are wondering if you can actually play high-end games like Fortnite, Battlefield 5, and Forza Horizon 4 on it with decent frame rates using Windows Boot Camp. So let's find out. Now before you head to the comment section explaining that the iMac is a ripoff compared to a Windows gaming PC, I want to mention that this is really only meant for people who need a high-end iMac for work or business and want to play some games on the side without spending a bunch of extra cash on a gaming PC. Before we get into some games, let's quickly compare some gaming benchmarks to the 2017 iMac Pro. The 2019 5K iMac is really close to the gaming performance of the Pro. Now testing the same Unigine Heaven benchmark in Windows 10, we actually see a huge difference in performance, showing just how much more optimized Windows is for gaming compared to macOS. Alright, so moving on to another gaming benchmark, we've got 3D Mark's Time Spy, so let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so Time Spy just finished and we got a score of 5,237, and I'm looking back on my notes here and the iMac Pro actually got 5,797, so this is actually not too far off from the iMac Pro. So the Firestrike benchmark just finished and we got a score of 13,511, compared to 15,603 on the iMac Pro, so it's definitely not quite as fast, but it is getting close. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into Fortnite. 5K resolution, 5120 by 2880. Epic everything. Let's show the FPS. Woo! Alright, so frame rates are not looking good. 17, 18. Okay, I'll bring it down to medium at 5K. Any different? Whoa, there you go. Dropping down to like 39, 48. Whoop, just hit him there. Oh, you got me. All right, so we're bringing it down, 3841 by 2160, basically 4K resolution. Brought it to Epic instead, and now we're still getting around 30 FPS. 3843, close enough, high everything. Still not great, not where you'd like to be honest. 2560 by 1440, that's 1440p, and we're gonna try out Epic everything. Let's go ahead and get into the game, and we're sitting at around 55 to 60 FPS. Woo! Got them both. Oh, get out of there. Guy's like trying to, oh, he got me. I saw him over there. Bring everything down to high, and let's see if we can get a consistent 60. Yep, we're at over 70 right now, dropping down a little bit to like 69. There we are at 85, 87, 95, wow, okay. And guys, if you're wondering what mouse I'm using, this is actually a really great gaming mouse. I'm linking it in the video description below. What's special about it is that it doesn't use Bluetooth. It actually comes with its own dedicated chip that you plug into the USB port, so the latency is extremely low. It's almost like a wired mouse, so you're not getting that Bluetooth latency. We're staying above 60 all the time. Guys, these are the best settings for this iMac for playing Fortnite. 1440p, high settings. All right, guys, next up is Battlefield 5. 1440p, just like we had it before. And let's start off with Ultra. Got him. Got another guy. Oh, I almost had him. You guys see that? I'm gonna bring down the settings to high. Got him. Got one guy. You guys see that? Oh. So we're, oh, yep, got him. Got one more. Got him. Woo, headshot, you guys see that? Woo, let's get this guy. Oh, come on, reload. Yeah, works great. Woo, just got two guys, see that? Woo. Got him, I hit him. Got him. Woo, you guys see that? Boom! So with that, let's get into our final game, Forza Horizon 4. 1440p. Everything's on ultra. 65 FPS. Wow, it's actually really good. Let's go. Come on. Yes, 65. It's super consistent. 68, 69, 70, 72. Yeah, the frame rates are incredibly consistent. We're at ultra everything at 1440p. Now we're dropping slightly below 59, 60, it's not too bad. Yep, 65, 67, it's super consistent. There's no dropped frames, I'm not feeling any dropped frames. No weirdness going on, it feels really good. All right, we're at 4K now. Let's do 4K high. 4K now at high, and we're getting around 48, 50. The frame rates are consistent, so you don't get a lot of weird dropped frames, glitches, or anything like that. I think throughout all of these games, if you want to get a consistent 60 FPS, you're gonna have to play at 1440p. So on this map, we're dropping down to 38, 39 now. Lots of trees everywhere, that's probably why. Ooh, nice. That's it. I actually hit 50 right there. 52, not too bad. It did drop into the 30s though, which is unfortunate. You definitely don't want that. On this one, we're getting actually 57, 56, down to 47, 45. So this one varies a little bit more. Why are you racing in a truck, man? Get out of here. All right, one guy in front of me. See, it's not perfectly smooth, but there you go. First place. Well, there you have it, guys. There's some gaming on the 2019 5K iMac with the i9 processor and the Vega 48 graphics. As you guys could see, 1440p is the best option if you're gonna be doing gaming on this machine. If you get into 4K, the FPS starts to drop below 50, below 60, so if you're really trying to get a good experience, 60 FPS is where it's at, playing at 1440p throughout all of these graphically intensive games. So let me know what you guys thought about this gaming video in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next video. Got him. Woo, headshot, you guys see that?